Hello, this is my stadium, and let's say you want to place the crowd on the stadium. So at first I will need the planes, and how to create these planes I showed you in the first video on my YouTube channel. If you don't know how to do that, you can check my first video. And the second, I need my humans. So I created them in the Make Human program. So I will import them from my desktop. Okay. And I need to combine them. Let me activate screencast keys. Okay. And now I will import the second human. Okay. And I need to join all these meshes, okay? So Ctrl J. And I have two human beings here. So for the crowd, you will need to have a greater variety of humans, but I will show you this tutorial only two, but it's all the same stuff you will make with a bigger amount of these guys. So now I will use a hair particle system. So for the hair particle system, I should rotate these guys in exact direction, and I will show you how. You should go to the front ortho view, and here we will rotate them on that direction 180 degrees, then Y rotation 90 degrees. Then I will go to the top view. In the top view I will place in the edit mode and place them here, and the origin will be here. Okay, the same edit mode and origin here. So now I have a good rotation for the hair particle system. In front view it will look like this, and now I need to select them, group them. For example, it will be A1 group. Okay, enter. It's okay. Now I will go to the hair particle system, create new one, go to the group, and before I choose A1, there are a lot of planes here, so my performance of the viewport will be very low. So I will go to the display here and make only show 1% of them. Okay. Now I will go to the group A1. Delete scale, choose rotation. Also I will choose the hair length like 17, because these guys are too small here, and 17 will be good for the real scale. Okay, and now I see these guys here, yes. And I need some more options here. So I will go to advanced. In advanced, the particle per phase, only one guy per one phase. So I will go here on one number. Now I should go to the edit mode of these planes, select all, and the count of phases like 10,383, and this number I will place here, so it's 10,383. Okay, and then I go to okay, I will show them. So now we should fix the direction, because all these guys should look at the direction of the court of the game. So I need to go to rotation, and except of velocity here I need to choose normal tangent. Then I uncheck random and even distribution, and in the top view I will show you, I will go into a little bit randomness on ZX for these guys. So here it is, 0.01, oops, 0.01, and some it gives us some randomness in rotation of these guys here. And after that, I want to activate all my crowd here, but the performance is too low, and to improve the performance in the viewport, I will select this to human here. I will go to the object tab and hold Alt Shift and choose bounce. Okay, so now we will have bounce and I can now in the hair particle system go to the display and make it 100%. Okay, so now we have all our human on the tribune, and after that I can make some of rotation, no, not rotation, but some of randomness. So now all the seats are placed here, and if you want not all seats to be occupied, I can go to the random or to the even distribution, and we can see that some of the faces are empty, and it will give us some more randomness. After that I can also make a pick random, but I will show you in the rendered view. And now I will activate all my layers and deselect this layer with these guys because I don't want them to be rendered in the center of the card. Okay, and now if I go to the render view and hit Shift Z, okay, we need some time to render that. And now we can see all of our guys on the tribunes. So now I can, I will show you here. But in the real life, we need more of these guys here, and we can also check pick random here to make random of these guys also. For example, we can deselect even distribution and randomness, and all of these guys will be here, so the stadium will be full. Okay, and now you can see them even with the render. I have a good performance of the viewport with these bounding boxes activated, and this is cool. So that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.